𝗤𝗬𝗧𝗘𝗥𝗔 is a Thai technology company that combines vending machine innovation with premium quality ingredients. Today, we have expanded to more than 8,000 kiosks across Thailand. Our machines are installed in key locations such as factories, shopping malls, residential areas, and airports. Our beverages deliver consistent taste and quality in every cup. However, one of our biggest challenges is after-sales service.
Currently, nearly 100 field technicians provide maintenance services for 𝗤𝗏𝗧𝗃 kiosks nationwide. The challenge we face is incomplete communication, which makes task assignment difficult. Field technicians often need to consult using images or videos to solve issues. We also need to track our technicians' locations through GPS and prevent misuse of communication devices. Having a unified mobile communication solution has therefore become essential for us.
A unified solution powered by Hytera Hytera. Integrated with the Smart One dispatch system, it enables smooth and efficient team coordination. The solution also includes voice recording, automatic playback, and a mobile app for remote communication management. The PNC460 portable PoC device is rugged and can operate instantly over both cellular and Wi-Fi networks without having to invest in new infrastructure. It supports push-to-talk communication, text messages, video calls, live streaming, and data recording, allowing 𝗤𝗏𝗧𝗃 field staff to work with confidence.
Smart One Dispatch also helps us quickly assign the nearest technician to perform repairs efficiently. The Hytera Hytera and MRPS systems enable us to review incidents and resolve issues promptly. The MDM system helps technicians manage their tasks more effectively and ensures device security. With Hytera's solution, our communication is seamless across both 4G and Wi-Fi networks. This enhances coordination and enables faster, more efficient responses from our field technicians.